Hey there, let's talk about how you can seriously level up your finances. No fancy jargon, just practical steps you can use right now. First up, track your spending. It sounds basic, but trust me, knowing where your money goes is the first step to getting control. Use an app, or even a notebook, just make it a habit. Next, build your emergency fund. Life's full of surprises, and having a little cash set aside means you're ready for anything. Try to save at least 3 months' worth of expenses. Now let's talk income. Don't rely on just one stream. Explore side hustles. Maybe it's freelance work, selling something online, or even renting out a spare room. The internet's full of opportunities. You just have to look. Investing is huge. Start small if you need to, but start. Learn the basics of stocks, index funds, or even real estate. The goal isn't to get rich quick, but to build wealth over time. And finally, never stop learning. Read books, watch videos, listen to podcasts on money and self-development. The more you know, the more you'll grow. Remember, everyone starts somewhere. Take action, be patient, and watch your finance level rise. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips. Thanks for watching.